Sai Ram. Welcome to the Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. And Let's Learn English is the program you're watching, and your instructor's name is Kalpana Heblikar. Okay. Today we are going to do make small letter words continuation from the last lesson. So don't miss the previous lessons and just keep on seeing on and on. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to do this. See what is the vowel letter I. Yes, I is very important. Okay, I. Yes. So the vowel letter I has 4 sounds. How many? I has got 4 sounds. Now let us see what are those. We have already seen, but if some of you have not done, your 15 minutes homework, so you don't know what is it. Okay, we will revise again. Good children. Yes, the first sound of I is as in E, that is rim, sim, ring, pig. Okay, so it is E. So let me write down. If some of you can know Hindi, okay, you can see how to write. It is okay, E. You can write down not the big E but small e. Okay, so it is like Hindi letter E. Okay, then we'll go to the second sound. Yes, the second sound of the vowel letter I is as in wire, wire, fire. Okay, so Okay, so wire, fire. See, you can see the sound, right? When I'm saying, you also say, repeat, wire, fire. We don't say fire, though it is I. Okay, we say wire, wire. Okay, yes. Then, next, the third sound of the vowel letter I as in eyes, ah. Okay, so it is ah. Okay, ah. Those of you can follow Hindi, Marathi, language, you can see this. Okay, ah. So the third sound of the vowel I as in eyes. See, I'm not saying is, right? It is eyes. Yes, rice, eyes, rice, eyes. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, now we will see the fourth sound of the vowel letter I as in a, that is bird, 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 girl. Okay, okay. So now we will go again with the words. Vowel letter I has 4 sounds. What are they? The vowel letter I has 4 sounds. The first sound of I is as in rim, E. Rim, sim, ring, pig. Okay? Then the second sound of the vowel letter I is in I and ear together. I, wire, wire, fire. Okay? So I and ear together. Then the third sound of the vowel letter I is as in that is ice, rice, ice, rice. Okay? The fourth sound of the vowel letter I is as in bird, that is a. Then girl, girl. So it is a. We will learn to make small words here. Let us see. Let's form some small letter words with I. Very good. Yes. In. Always start with 2-letter words. Okay. So, in. What is it? In. I-N. In. Okay. I. That is a plus here. I. N. In. E plus N is equal to in. In. Then ink, I-N-K, ink, E-N-K, ink, E-N-K, ink. Okay, we don't say ink or we don't say unk. Okay, we say ink. So, E. Yes, very good. Okay, eyes. Yes, all of you know. This is a and y. Eyes. I, S, and E. Eyes, as in certificate. C. Okay. So, I, S, E. Eyes. Okay. Then idea. I-D-E-A. Idea. I, D, E, A. Okay. Idea. Okay. Next is igloo. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. So, this also comes in I, A plus Y. I, G. G as in, yes, gum. Yes, G. L, U, U. Igloo. Okay. Yes. I, G, L, U, U. Igloo. Igloo. Okay. See the pronunciation? Igloo. Okay. Now we will go back again and we will see some more sounds of this. Okay. Now I and in. I am in the house means you are inside the house. Okay. The pencil is in the box means it is inside the box. Okay. So, in, I-N, in. You got the meaning of in, which is inside something. Okay. In. Then ink, I-N-K, ink. I-N-K, ink. Yes, ink is the pen which you write is an ink pen. Okay. The ball pen also has ink in it. Okay. So, ink, I-N-K, ink. Very good. Okay. Then ice. Yes, I-C-E, ice. Now, what do you mean by ice? Yes, it is cold when water is condensed. Okay. In some temperature, then it is becoming hard, solid. Okay. And that solid state is called, it's very cold. So, it is called ice and we use it for making some juice cold. If suddenly if the juice is little, lukewarm or of room temperature and you want it little cold, so you put ice cubes in it. Okay. So, it is called ice. Okay. Very good. Then idea. See this? He is having idea. Okay. In the head. So, I have an idea. You say that, right? I have an idea. So, now why a idea? It's wrong. It is an idea. Okay. That will come in the later stages. Okay. I will tell you when to use a and when to use an. So, I have an idea. Okay. Very good. Okay. Idea means something very good thought. Okay. So, a new thought which you want to tell anybody. So, I have an idea. Okay. Yes. So, idea. Very good. Then igloo. See, in the North Pole and the South Pole, the temperature is literally 0 degrees, sometimes. And I think throughout the year, it is cold only. So, the people over there, they cannot withstand the cold so much. So, what they do, they build their houses with stone in a round shape so that when the ice falls, it will slide down. Okay. And then they have a tunnel like this. a big tunnel. Suppose the igloo is, their house is here, they'll have a long tunnel so that they'll crawl inside, and then they will close it once they go inside. So the ice won't go inside the house and the cold wind also won't go. Okay. So it has got no windows. Okay. The only outing is this, the main door. And because it is cold, they will be inside very safe and warm. Okay. So they have a fireplace also over there inside. It's very interesting. Okay. Some of you, if you get a chance to go to the North Pole or South Pole, you can visit and you can go to one of the igloos and see. Okay. Then India, I-N-D-I-A, India. I-N-D-I-A. I, again, A plus Y. Okay. A plus Y. I. D, E. A. India. Okay. I, D, E, A. See, now the two I's are there, but one is I plus Y and one is E. Okay. So, India. Okay. Yes, children. Now we will do the spellings again. I-N in, I-N in, I-N-K ink, I-N-K ink, I-C-E ice, I-C-E ice, I-D-E-A, idea, I-D-E-A, idea. Igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-N-D-I-A, India, I-N-D-I-A, India. See, why we are showing pictures even in English? Because sometimes, when we say the word, we don't remember, oh, what is igloo? What is igloo? So now if you have seen this picture properly, then you can suddenly remember, yes, ma'am had told that North Pole and South Pole, the people are feeling very cold since the climate is very cold and ice falls every time. So they need warm houses to shelter them. So igloo is formed. Okay. So you will remember like that. So you always, have a picture in your mind. So you will get a quick idea. Yes, very good. Okay. Yes. Then we will see some more words. Image. I-M-A-G-E, image. I-M-A-G-E, image. Now, what do you mean by image? Yes. So, something when you take a Xerox of it, so the image comes, right? So, it is a image. A plus Y, I. Okay. And here the sound is E, image. So, E, M, A, J, E, image. E, M, A, J, E, image. Okay. Okay. All of you understood? E, M, A, J, E, image. Yes, very good. Now, ice box. Yes, see, sometimes there is no, facility to keep the refrigerator or fridge. Okay. So, there is a small opportunity made by the inventions and a small box is made. Inside you can keep ice and it will remain till the ice becomes cold. Usually the ice doesn't become cold, it doesn't melt. But whatever you keep inside is remaining cold for hours together. At least 6 hours it will remain. So, ice. Usually people when they are traveling, they can't carry the fridge, right? Okay. So, they take the ice box and go. So, they keep cold drinks or water inside. Okay. And sometimes in the coastal regions, they catch fish, lot of fish. Okay. So they put fish inside this also and then take it to the market. So what happens? The fish remains fresh. Okay? Yes. Ice box. Correct. Then iPod. You know what is iPod? Yes, iPod. All of you know, I know, no need of explaining. Those who are doing online classes will know what is iPod also. Yes, very good. I P O D. iPod. I P O D. iPod. Okay. We'll do ice box again. I S E B O X. X. Okay. Yes. Ice box. I S E B O X. Ice box. Okay. Then iPod. I P O D. iPod. I P O D. iPod. Okay. Yes. Then iPad. Yes. What is iPad? Yes. This also all of you know. So let us go to the spelling. I P A D. iPad. I P A D. iPad. I P A D. I P A D. iPad. I P A D. Okay. Then island. See, everywhere there will be water and in the middle, no, there will be some land. Okay. So it is called island. So you can see the India map, and you know on the sides there will be in the ocean small spots. Okay. All of you, if you have not seen, you can see. If there is a picture, I will try to see if there is a picture of a island. Okay. So I will show you at the end of this, or in the next class I can show you. iPad and island. Okay. I S L A N D. I S L A N D. Island. Okay. Then iron. See, it is not iron, it is iron. Iron. Okay. So I R I and O together. Iron. I R A and Y together. Y on and N. Iron. Okay. So you should not say iron, it is iron. Okay. So thank you children for listening to the Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Thank you so much for revisiting us again and again. Thank you so much.